Warning. The thoughts, views, and opinions expressed by me on the channel are for entertainment purposes only. I repeat, it's not serious, it is not real, none of it. No one is exposing, revealing, indicting, or telling you anything about themselves or anybody else. Also, I do not encourage you to try this at home. I'm a trained professional who doesn't have your best interest at heart, or my own. Enjoy the video.
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Haikata. Today we have a brand new dashcam lessons video. Karen plays victim card when confronted. We all love dashcams. We all love Karen content. The best of both worlds. Without further ado, let's just get right into it.
Back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Hey. Yeah. That shit's a banger, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Go that shit with some fucking dubstep. Shit. Yo! Fuck this BMW driver, bro. Your life is not that important, bro. Slow it the fuck down, bro. Niggas like this, bro, is why accidents really happen. Slow it the fuck down, you fucking boneheaded bitch. Coming from the bottom of my heart. It's a crosswalk. What the fuck are you doing? Another one. Cause you're Oh, yo, get on that ass, bro. Yeah. Talk your shit, homie.
You almost hit the lady, you dumb.
Yeah.
Dash cam, I have you on dash cam.
Exactly, dumb bitch.
You almost ran over the lady with the kid.
Yeah.
Learn how to drive.
Yeah.
Learn how to drive. You almost hit the lady on the
We're
stroller.
not even doing nothing.
Dumbass.
You're not even
I have it on
doing
dash
nothing.
cam. Good luck with that.
But now I'm such a chill driver that we was put back in a crazy
Like,
city.
what was the
Like, that's
purpose?
some
You're
bullshit.
recording your bumper, his bumper. There was no accident at bare minimum. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. W driver for reaction time, but L driver for not picking up that speed, bro. Final destination. Final destination, bro. W for that, bro. But you gotta stay in that survival instinct, because if not, you hear that tire in the back. Could have been you. Could have made that shit crazy, bro.
Oh my
You gotta
god,
go.
there's no
Keep
one
going.
in there. I think he passed out. Oh my god.
Holy shit, bro. Y'all gotta be on it, bro. Be on it. Because you don't be that nigga eating fucking shit into the back of that vehicle. I get sideswiped, everything, bro. Holy shit. You fat, ugly bitch. Bro, you caused it. What? How are you giving him the finger? That doesn't make any sense. Just idiots, okay. I love roads like these, but hate drivers like that. Why are you in the passenger? Chopped females if they're 500. Nah, I know this is like a little nigga, bro. Holy shit. Chopped females is I would never thought of seeing this shit in dashcam lessons. I know whoever does this channel, bro, just copy and paste, bro, or they some messy motherfuckers, or both, bro. Chopped females in their $500 shit box trying to cut me off. Obviously, I just stand for that. I don't blame you, bro.
Car accident.
Yo, this nigga's a crash out. This nigga's a crash out. I don't blame you, bro.
Car accident.
Yes, sir.
I'm on the board. I said,
Oh, who's about to be the idiot?
Are you?
Volkswagen,
What are you
the
doing?
fuck are you doing?
Wakey, wakey, dumbass!
At that point, you should have just kept going, Volkswagen. I ain't gonna lie. Damn, bro. A tire is gone.
He blew, yes, he big time blew a tire.
Holy shit. It's crazy how niggas can really just pick up and move their whole entire house, bro. I feel like that's the You are not Squeeze Benz. What the fuck? You are not licensed. You've never played Gran Turismo a day in your fucking life, bro. What the fuck? Your license is straight up Sped Monkey, bro. It was a stolen V.
Turkeys.
I swear to God.
Do it again.
Yo, shout out to number 8.
There goes.
Shout out to number 8, bro. Shout out, bro. That's a good idiot, bro. Playing with nature. No. They were not going to stop number 9. They were not going to stop. You see, like, they were not stopping. They were eating that curb.
What are you doing?
Shout out to you, bro, for at least reacting still nonetheless, but damn. Expect the unexpected. Whatever the fuck Miss Miyagi said. And I bet you're holding your horn. Oh, no? Hey, okay. Yo, did you really do all that just to get out the cop's way? Like, you damn near parked. Maybe this is how the camera looked like. But damn. You should have just did that. I ain't gonna lie. Do what that motherfucker was doing. Let's go. Let's go, go, go. That Subaru is a dummy fool. That's crazy, but I understand. That's why you stay in that right lane. If you gonna make that turn. Both of these niggas, 2 whites in a row. If you know you gotta make that right turn, bro, just sit behind that queue, bro. If it's 3, 4 people, bro, just sit behind it, bro. And then you in a double lane, bro. But I highly doubt. But I just don't get it. Why don't people just do smart things? Expecting a lot, I guess. Good luck to everybody else.
No way that just happened.
Just because they all letting her go don't mean you gonna go. You know what I mean? Like, these other niggas.
What is their issue? Oh, and they like. Why did he do that? What is their? Did I turn that shit down?
Okay, you see. Okay, this is what I mean by, like, I get you're upset, but you seen this demon flying out of here. Move the fuck over. It's a Mustang. That A-pillar is the worst shit in the world. You can't see shit, bro. It's literally, you gotta gamble. And you're in Vegas. It's gambling. It's a Mustang. And going, it's crazy, bro.
Why did he do that?
That is crazy work to do. You didn't even brake hard enough for your seatbelt to choke you to make that noise. Yo, you're eating shit. You're eating shit. Newsflash for every dumb motherfucker, bro. It is raining. You're gonna have bad grip. Rubber and metal does not mix. Hydroplane started right there with how much water that nigga splashed up, and his ass is already swerving. And he's trying to correct it. That wheel's way too aggressive, braking, instead of at least bare minimum tapping the gas to feather it to get it straight. Overcorrected straight into the wall. Take this nigga's license. Take this nigga's license. He's a moron. He don't know how to drive at all. Just does not know how to drive at all. Okay, that cop is about to be on your ass. That cop is on your fucking ass. Like I said before, if you are going to speed and you like speeding, be smart while speeding. Waze, in a fucking Union fucking police radar. Like the scanner shits, bro. So you don't get clapped. Tune them bitches, bro, and you're smooth. Niggas like that, Swiss cheese, on God. Doing that much of a move is crazy. That nigga's car was throwing up gang signs practically, bro. Why would you do that? I get he put on the blinker. There's two workmen, bro, with that one situation. The Honda.
Louder.
I ain't gonna lie, homie driving in the right. You should have just picked up speed, bro. But you're not wrong, but you should have picked up speed nonetheless. If you're gonna try to pass him like that, bro. Like, passing on the right is a little bit crazy because niggas don't look to their right, bro. They just do a quick look. They don't see that and boom. They don't actually look, you know what I mean? Mirrors. You then go, bro. Niggas just one mirror go or just go. Alrighty. Hope you guys enjoyed this little dash cam lessons with your boy. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.